Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the flash effect on your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now from here what we're going to do is that we are going to go and add a flash transition effect. So we'll be transitioning from this video into this video right here. So to do that, first we need to add an adjustment layer at the top of the footages. So to do that, you need to go into your project panel, just like this one, and then click here on the new item, click here, and then go for adjustment layer right here. And after that, you want to click OK. And now you want to drag your adjustment layer into the top of your footages, just like that, and you want to cut it right there. And then you want to go into the middle of your footages right there, and then you want to go press Shift or hold Shift, and then press the right arrow button right there. And then you want to extend your adjustment layer so that it would be the same size right there. And then you want to go back, Shift and left arrow key, and another left arrow key with the Shift, and then you want to go make sure that the adjustment layer is in the same size like that, so that each of them would have 5 frames each. So now all we have to do now, once you are done cutting your adjustment layer, is go into your effects panel, and then you want to go and type in brightness, and you want to go and add the brightness and contrast into the adjustment layer, drag it right just like that. And then you want to keyframe the brightness from 0, and then when you go into the middle of your footages, you want to go and make it brighter, like maybe 100, or you can also make it even brighter by duplicating the effect right here on brightness and contrast. You can copy, and then you want to paste again, just like that. As you can see, it's much brighter, and then you can do it like this one, or you can just do it with just one, and you can go back into the end, and then you want to make sure that the brightness value is now 0, and just like that. And when you play it, it will be now like this, and as you can see, it's a nice flash effect right there. It's very smooth right there, and that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.